Thanks for coming back. I'm going to show you guys real quick. I can't do a super deep dive into triggers, but I'm going to show you the basics of triggers, what they're used for, and kind of break them down for you a little bit. Not trigger links, triggers themselves. This is the magic. This is what that makes things move. I'm moving people to different things. Okay, so I'm going to go to add a trigger, and let's just say I'm going to go add to campaign. Okay. This is just going to be add to campaign trigger. So what I'm going to do is I have to pick stage one of what exactly is going to trigger, this trigger. What's going to cause the action, or what I'm going to do. Which event should trigger this automation? Do I want a birthday reminder, call status, contact, do not disturb, contact tag, custom date reminder, customer booked an appointment, customer replied, email event, form submitted, blah, blah. There's many in there. Sale opportunity, survey submitted, task added, membership site stuff. So I'm going to pick, this is one that you're going to use quite a bit, is form submitted. Okay. The problem is I don't know if I have a form. So if I have a form on a page, and I'm collecting someone's contact information from that particular form. In a form, it says, "Hey, I need your name and your email address." Okay, that's the form I created. I want their name and their email address. From that particular form, I'm gonna come here and create a trigger because I want to know who came through that very specific form individually. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna create a trigger. Let's say they came through my new agent opt-in form. Okay, so I'm creating this trigger that whenever there is a form submitted, someone entered their name and email inside of the form new agent opt-in. Okay, I'm going to add an action. I want to add a contact tag, new agent opt-in. So anyone that comes through that form, they're going to get tagged with new agent opt-in. Okay, let me move my face back to the other side. Then the next thing I want it to do is when they, I'm going to add, add to campaign. So they came in through that form, and now I want to add them to a campaign. I'm going to add them to that test campaign. And then, let's see, and then I want a notification to myself, and I could set up notifications. So triggers, there's a whole lot of stuff that you can do and set up inside of triggers, but that's the simplest one. If I wanted someone to come through a form, I wanted to add a tag to them, and then I wanted them to be put into a very specific campaign based on that form or that funnel that they came through, this is how I would set up that trigger. I would hit save. I do need to hit activate. And now that trigger is active inside of my high-level account, anytime someone comes through the new agent form that I created and I put that on a page, they come through that form and they submit it. There's a tag that's added to them that says they came through the new agent opt-in, and they are then added to the campaign that I created, that email campaign called test, immediately, automatically. So I don't have to do anything now. I don't have to go and check the list of how many people came in through that opt-in form and then add them to an email campaign or add an individual tag. I have all of these options that I created a filter that says if they come through this form and they opted in through this very specific form, I need all these actions, and you can add so many actions. You can add notes assigned to a user, remove a tag, remove campaigns, remove all opportunities, send an SMS, all kinds, grant them access to your membership offer. So anybody that came through there gets access to the membership offer for free. There's so many things that you can do with these triggers, and it just takes a little bit of work. Thank you for checking this out. I will do a deep dive into triggers. This trigger very specifically is one you are going to need. Form submitted, pick a form, add a tag, add those people to a campaign. Thank you for watching. My name is Austin. Please write any questions that you have in the Facebook or reach out to me directly, and I will get them answered as soon as possible. I appreciate you watching.